Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to adjust the controls on the Golf Blitz application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below in the middle and then click on the settings icon in the left side of the screen. Then click on the adjust controls section and tap on the controls button, and here you can find 3 slides at the top of the screen, and as you adjust it you can select the visibility of the golf ball, the size of it and its place. If you tap on the other icon you can choose the other control buttons, how they look like. If you want to, you can also reset it to the default options, so tap on the reset to default, and if you are done, tap on the X button down below. So that's how you can adjust the control buttons. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.